With crypto volatility increasing, analysts are very excited about Shiba Inu coin increasing alongside of it. As a matter of fact, analysts have identified a discharge that could be happening with Shiba Inu coin soon if 1760 is broken. So let's talk about it. Let's go over the numbers, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, Shiba Inu coin has some very good technical analysis going on. I want to go over the numbers. Right now, the price of Shiba Inu coin is sitting right at that steady zone of 1,200 points per coin. It has been, literally, it's a little annoying at this point, right? It's been at 1,200 points per coin for the entirety of 2025. You can see that after the election speculation that took place at the end of 2024, Shiba Inu coin made its way back down. January of 2025, it was about 2,000 points per coin, and since then it has been testing this 1,200, maybe 1,000 point per coin level for the entirety of the year so far. But what we know about Shiba Inu coin is that it is explosive in nature, right? When extreme greed was hitting the market back in March of 2024, SHIB ripped higher. When extreme greed was hitting the market in October of 2021, Shiba Inu coin ripped higher. If and when extreme greed hits the market again, Shiba Inu coin could see that explosive price rally. So let's see what these analysts are saying. It says, following the prolonged consolidation phase, TradingView analysts has predicted that Shiba Inu coin could soon experience a discharge in price momentum. The analyst shared the outlook yesterday in a post titled Shiba Inu coin possible discharge soon, signaling an expectation of a potential breakout for SHIB. Now, according to the analyst, Shiba Inu coin has been trading in a narrow consolidation zone since April, and requirements for the next breakout. Shiba Inu coin has been fluctuating between 1,080 points per coin and 1,700 points per coin over the last 6 months, and notably, 1080 has been a strong buy zone, suggesting it could serve as a support area for Shiba Inu coin, while 1760 is the trend reversal zone, marking a level where Shiba Inu coin previously encountered strong resistance on May 12th. Now, according to the analysts, Shiba Inu coin is likely to test the top of this reversal zone before retracing to seek liquidity near the 1080 buy zone. They predict that this move could provide the momentum required to break above the 1760 zone, which would clear the path for a rally. However, they emphasize that the upcoming rally hinges on the performance of major cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin's price trajectory. He pointed out that Bitcoin is currently experiencing a significant upswing, and Shiba Inu coin could benefit from the optimistic sentiment that follows. And I couldn't agree more. Here's the problem, though, right? Bitcoin has been performing beautifully over the last couple of months. Really, I mean, Bitcoin, if you look at its long-term graph, guys, sure, the bear markets stink when you've got these major pullbacks from 69,000 down to 13,000, from 19,000 down to 3,000. These are hard swings. But overall, Bitcoin has a phenomenal long-term graph. The issue is Shiba Inu coin's long-term graph does not look like this. Shiba Inu coin topped out in 2021, and Bitcoin is nearly twice as high as it was in 2021. Shiba Inu coin is essentially 5x lower than it was. It has lost 85% from its all-time high. Now, Bitcoin doing well, Shiba Inu coin not doing as well. So what gives? What's the difference? The best thing that I can come up with is to the major difference, other than utility, other than the fact that Bitcoin's more popular, more holders, all of that, is sentiment. People do not buy meme coins when they are nervous. People buy meme coins and they flock to them when they are greedy. So anytime we have a neutral sentiment, or anytime that we have a fearful sentiment, or even a greedy sentiment, greed is when people move into altcoins. Extreme greed is when they move into meme coins. So with that, right now at a level of 55 neutrality, I cannot expect Shiba Inu coin to explode higher. But if we look at historical evidence here, you've got March of 2024, when Shiba Inu coin was ripping up, and this doesn't go back to 2021, right? But you've got March of 2024 here, when Shiba Inu coin was ripping up to 4,500 points per coin. It was during a period of extreme greed. The election speculation that took place in November, December of 2024, when Shiba Inu coin was ripping up to 3,300 points per coin, we were in a situation of extreme greed. So I do believe that when investors become extremely greedy once again, meme coins will thrive. So I've got a choice to make. Do I continue to accumulate now while prices are relatively low? Or do I wait until prices are high and extreme greed has set in? I've made the decision to continue accumulating now while prices are low, while the market is neutral or even fearful in some situations, and then I will be willing to take profit when extreme greed does enter the market. So one of the places I am buying is the KCEX exchange. That's what you guys see on the screen right now. They've got the best fees, 0% maker, 0% taker on meme coins, 0.01% taker on altcoins and Bitcoin. And of course, the best selection of meme coins and cryptocurrency that I have seen in the United States. I am also loading up on tiny little tokens like the ones you guys see on the screen right now: Best Wallet, Bitcoin Hyper, Pepe Node, Snorter Token, and so on. So if you guys want links for everything, you've got it down in the description below. I want to know what you're buying, so let me know in the comments. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you. And I do want to say thank you guys very much for watching this video, right? This YouTube gave me 2 strikes on my other channel, so if you want to continue watching videos, make sure to click the subscribe button here. I'm not going to be able to post on the other channel until maybe mid-December. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.